Hi, my name's Taylor Overson. I come from Arizona and I ranch. So I rope, run barrels, I have a horse background. I love everything about lashes, the artistry, and I like how I can make my own schedule. So it's easy when I'm on the road, but I can still have that passion of creating something beautiful. I love them. Like, they are always in your corner. They're your biggest fan. They have helped me build my confidence. Like, they're my family. I love them. Ms Chassity. Ms Chassity. Being in the classroom with her, she made learning wonderful. She's always been there, and having her techniques, it's just amazing. Yes, I would. And I have told multiple people if they want to go into the lash industry, they should hit up DLU. To be patient, be kind to yourself, because it's tough, you have to practice all the time. You're building a skill set, and that does take time. You can't be rushing into it. To be patient, because I'm like, let's go, but you have to be kind and, just take it slow.